So this is one of the way on how to uninstall or remove program or application in your desktop. Just simply click remove, add or remove programs, and then you will be prompt in this settings, and then you will see all the applications installed in your desktop. Just scroll the application that you want to uninstall. So just simply look at the applications, and then after that, if you already saw the app that you want to uninstall, just simply click that. So let's say for example, I am going to uninstall Solitaire. So let's look for Solitaire. Where is the Solitaire? One moment. Okay, this one, the Solitaire. So just simply click it and then click uninstall, and then click uninstall once again. Then wait for it to be uninstalled, and here it is. So it's already uninstalled.